Are you ready to make amazing origami, but your paper's the wrong shape? Well, fear not, because I'm going to show you how to get a perfect square every time. First, fold this side of the paper along this side here. Now, wait. Before you say, Jason, I already know this trick. Please let me finish, because this is not the last step. Now, this is the step that most people don't know. We're going to fold this corner up to this corner here. And then this corner across to this corner here. Next, get some scissors. And we're going to put a little tiny cut just a little way along this slope, about there. You can adjust where this is to change how big your square is. Now if we unfold and we cut the paper from this cut straight down to this cut here, that should be a perfect square as long as you've done all of your folds properly. If you have a steady hand, you can just cut with scissors. But I think it's more accurate to use a slicer, something like this. I've lined it up so both of the little cuts are in line with where the slice is going to cut. So then we slice. Now you have a perfect square worthy of any origami masterpiece. Maybe you're designing your own origami. So click this video here for tips on how to design your own origami.